Okay.
Unplugged to ah.
Yes. So, good evening, everyone. Well, I don't know.
Hello
It's
everyone.
at your end, no? Um, uh, Tali
Good
ko
day.
muna to, ah. This is our second episode of our podcast. The first one, we discussed the schools of psychology. And for today, for this episode, we're going to talk about the goals of psychology. Now, my collaborator for this podcast is Professor Manuel Mabulay, no? So we're just going to talk about the goals of psychology, and we will try
Hello.
to expound or give our perspective on the goals, different goals of psychology. O sige, mauna ka na, Eman, no? Teka, tali ko muna to, no? The date is March 25, 2024. The time is 7:32 p.m. We were supposed to do this later this evening, mga around 11:45 after I fetch my wife and then after our nocturnal walk and trek at UP. Pero I cannot wait, no? I just want to finish this topic so that we can move on to another topic again tomorrow. Kasi based on the podcast that we had earlier with Dan Alberto, I'm targeting 100 podcasts before the year is ended, no? So,
Grabe, ang dami.
we have a lot to cover.
Laban.
With any topics, no? Well,
Any topic under psychology.
any topic under the sun with the insertion of psychology sa platform. Anyway, sige, let's start. Itatali ko lang, Sir Rayman, no? Essentially, 5 lang naman yan, no? Yung goals of psychology, no? With the permission of Sir Eman, ano ko lang, we go by the acronym PIDUM, no? It's para madaling matandaan. It's easier to remember, no? The PIDER stands for Prediction of Human Behavior. Let's see. Sir Eman, would you like to expound on this? How you're going to go around this?
So,
Blurred ka,
ever since
pare,
naman,
ah. Blurred.
ay, wait,
Oh.
wait. Nag-blur ako eh. Ayan.
Ayan.
Blur ako. Ayan. Ever since naman din, we're always talking about how to predict. Kasi lagi nilang nasasabi, psychologists, ang mga psych student daw is always nababasa mo isip ko, no, there's always that peak wow factor, no, na we can always read minds. But in reality, no, to debunk this, we are not be able to read minds, but we can always predict the behavior, no. That's the P. Should we go for the ano? No, how do
Yes,
we
sige
able
pa.
to
Would you
predict the
like to,
behavior? No? Wow factor.
expound mo pa? Ako na.
Oh, okay. Sige, sige, tuloy ko. Ah,
Go.
So when it comes to predict kasi ano ba yung mga tinitingnan natin? Siyempre, the body language, how the person interacts, how they're going to react. Hindi ba pag may sinabi ka na something na parang mukha kang may alam, magugulat sila, paano mo nalaman? Even though mukha ka lang nagpa-bluff, pero paano nila nalaman to? Di ba yung mga ganun? Sige, Doc, go. On your
Well,
end.
prediction, no? So you are short of saying na ikaw ay isang manghuhula, you are predicting a particular behavior sometime in the future. Yeah. And it's a science, no? Unlike yung mga manghuhula diyan sa Quiapo or manghuhula Limasing
Somewhere.
Cotanto, no? This is backed by science. In fact, ang main tool pa namin dito sa psychology is statistics. Yan, statistics. So prediction of human behavior. Like, let's put this scenario. Pag lalaki, babae, magkatabing maligo, magkatabing matulog, sabay maligo, what are the chances that they are already intimate with one another? O may mga percentage yan eh, di ba? So,
Parang
si Eman,
napaka-imposible
ilang
naman na
percentage?
wala.
Ilang percentage?
90.
Ah? Ilan?
90. Siguro,
90%.
margin for
Oh,
error,
biyahe pa
90.
si Sir Eman, 90%. Well, mahirap naman kasing mag-go all the way ng 100%, no? Pero in all likelihood, they already intimate with one another. Pero if I were to change the parameters of the story, of the narrative, mag-ama yun. Mag-ama yun.
O, di ba?
Yung lalaki, babae, magkatabi matu uh, magkatabing matulog, and then sabay maligo kasi pinaliguan niya yung anak niya. 'Di ba? I mean, of course, nagbabago yung ano eh. But yeah, under normal circumstance, 90% is a decent figure, no? Na meron ng intimacy nangyayari sa kanila. And psychology will predict human behavior, no? I mean, siguro philosophically, if you're given absolute power, you will be corrupted absolutely. 'Di ba? Pag walang check and balance, if you do not answer to anybody, and then you're given billions of funds at your disposal, what are the odds that this will be used judiciously pag walang audit at walang check and balance? Medyo bumababa yung figure niyan, no?
Mababa
Depende
yung
na lang,
odds.
depende na lang sa trust ng or tiwala natin doon sa may hawak ng pondo. 'Di ba? So that's
Totoo
prediction
yan.
of human
Totoo.
behavior, 'di ba? 'Yun yung prediction of human behavior. Pinipredict natin, 'di ba? So sige, yung I natin, Sir
Next,
Emma, ano yung I?
next, the I is interpret. No, we interpret the behavior based
Yan.
on the predicted behavior. What can we interpret? Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng behavior na to? Kasi maaring we might interpret it differently from one another. Maaring ang interpretation ko might be different from what Dr. Stock's interpretation is, no? And what you might interpret also on your end. Iba-iba tayo ng view, iba-iba tayo ng perspective, no? Dito pumapasok kasi yung mga other factors. Ano yung mga other factors na yun? Yung, for example, yung tawag dito, yung upbringing mo, di ba? The values that you were exposed to, it might affect, no, how you're going to interpret the behavior itself based on the predicted behavior earlier that we talked about. Doc, on your
Oh,
end?
interpretation, this involves the understanding the how and the why that certain behavior occur. Psychologists, no, seek to uncover underlying causes, motivations, and influences that made the behavior possible. 'Di ba? So ano bang motivation? So meron yang extrinsic motivation, meron yang extrinsic motivation, merong influence, no? I mean, yung lahat
Yes.
ng lahat ng kriminal, if you're going to ask them, I think if you're going to do a survey, lahat sila inosente. Wala nang nakulong sa kulungan dahil inosente. Di ba?
Lahat na lang.
Pero the crime still happened. Di ba nangyari? Hindi. Kasi ganun eh. So many deflection and rationalization why such a thing happened. Di ba? Ang lalabas niyan, kasalanan pa ng biktima. Victim blaming na tayo.
Victim blaming. Well, which is very culturally, parang napaka-prominent din naman dito sa atin. Sad to
Mm.
say.
Oo. So, yun yun, no? So, interpretation of human behavior. Hindi porke tumatawa, natutuwa. Pwede rin tumatawa dahil nagagalit or tumatawa dahil nabibwisit or tumatawa dahil you're checkmate. In my next move, you're done. Di ba? Yung mga ganun. And I'm so happy. Checkmate ka
Ano
sa
eh,
akin.
parang
Di ba?
psychologically, pinabluff mo na siya eh, no?
So, kailangan talaga marunong kang bumasa ng behavior ng tao. No? So, yun, no? So,
Which is also the, ano, I've realized, based on the na-mention mo lang kanina, ang Game of the Generals pala, yung parang Pinoy made na chess, if you
mm,
are aware of that game,
may
ano siya,
arbiter.
psychological game siya. Oo, may arbiter.
Oh,
Tapos,
dapat
psychological game talaga siya.
yeah, and sometimes nga lang pag yung arbiter kasi you have no way of knowing kung tama yung sinasabi
Oo,
ng
yun lang.
arbiter. Baka may conspiracy sila. Pero all
Oo,
things
yun.
being equal, if you know how to read your opponent, 'di ba? And then you're setting up different ranks to go about his ranks. Hindi naman ako matagal lang din naglaro noon, no? But kabataan ko pa. So yeah, magandang laro din yung Games of the General, no? Sabi nga ni Sir Eman ito ay Filipino invention, Filipino invention. So
Let's go
move
for
tayo
this.
sa letter D,
E, which is
description,
describe. Describe or
description of
description.
human behavior. Ayan, so paano bang si Sir Eman kapag maligaya? Sige nga.
Paano nga ba, no? Pag masaya ako, syempre, no, masaya, nakatawa tayo.
Oo.
Your mood and affect, no, really radiates. Hindi ba? Hindi ka mababatrip, okay ka, no? But in terms of the describe kasi, no, in the practice, it helps us na to identify the patterns. So kung nakita nyo, di ba, magkaka-relate, no? The prediction, interpretation, and describe, no? When we describe a behavior, it helps us na ma-identify yung patterns so that we can be able to predict a certain behavior. Di ba? If ever na ma-master mo itong very basic goals of psychology, ang mangyari nito, no, talagang may embody mo yun, parang isipin talaga nilang manghuhula ka. But in reality, no, you're just applying the basic goals of psychology, which is a student must learn on their first year. Am I right, Doc?
Sinesearch ko yung dito sa ano eh. Napaka-useful eh. And then, I came across yung Occam's razor. It's Occam's razor. So ano yung sinasabi lang nito ng Occam's razor na to? The simplest explanation is the best explanation. So masaya, kaya happy ang disposition, di ba? Malungkot,
Mm-mm.
sad ang disposition, no? So kita naman eh, ang hirap lang, nagiging komplikado ito when you are across a hypocrite person. Siguro, and masyado namang judgmental yung hypocrite. Pero yung iba kasi talaga hindi showy. They don't want to show whether they're happy, they're sad, they're suspicious, or they intend harm to you physically and psychologically. Pero more often than not, no, the simplest explanation is the best explanation. So, masaya, happy disposition. Malungkot, sad disposition, di ba? And maybe you could go
Yes.
ambivalent towards something in the middle. So nasa ano na tayo? Prediction of human behavior, interpretation of human behavior, at description of human behavior. Di ba? O Sir
Yes.
Eman, ano ba yung letter U natin dyan?
Understanding the human behavior.
Yan, no?
This
So,
letter
ito
U.
yung goal
Isa to
ng
sa
psychology.
pinakamahalaga.
Ayan, sige Eman.
Sabi nga nila, green flag daw kapag magjowa ka ng psychology major. Kasi daw napaka-understanding, no? Kasi nga, ang hirap din kapag ano eh, kapag hindi mo magawang magalit because alam mo yung pinanggagalingan ng galit nila. 'Di ba? You understand ano nga ba yung mga nagiging factor bakit nagko-contribute itong reaction nila, itong behavior nila. Nalalaman mo kung saan siya nanggagaling. Like for example, when it comes to like for example, no, kapag meron kang katrabaho na lagi kang binabate tas out of a sudden biglang hindi ka binate, no? So nagigets mo kagad bakit kaya? Una mapapaisip ka bakit. Then magigets mo na lang baka there's other factor and there's another contributing factor na maaring nag-resonate kaya siya ganito ngayon, kaya siya hindi namamansin ngayon. 'Di ba may mga ganun tayong times, no? So at the same time, magugulat ka rin na mas makikurious ka eh. Bakit siya naging ganun, no? When you understand a certain behavior, it gives off more curiosity for you to learn more on that person, on that type of behavior. Okay.
So, understanding of human behavior, no? So, sa atin mga psychology majors or practicing psychologists, or even though you do not have the certification and credentials, pero meron ka namang enough experience sa pakipagkapwa-tao, naiintindihan natin ang pag-aasal o pag-uugali ng iba. That is why sufficient to say that sa psychology siguro, it's more important na umintindi ang mas nakakaunawa ng human behavior, no?
Oo, yun.
Pagbigyan natin kasi we understand more eh. We have a wider perspective, and for a long story short, be the bigger person, 'di ba? Intindihin mo na lang, pagbigyan mo na lang, no? Pero of course, sa realm ng psychology, dapat naintindihan natin bakit may nagda-drugs, bakit mayroong galit sa drugs, Bakit merong iba na tinutugis, umatakbo, pero wala silang
At may ibang
kasalanan.
gustong magbigay ng drugs.
Samantalang yung iba naman, inosente daw, pero humihingi ng guarantee na walang mangyayari sa kanila. Of course, I'm referring to Tevez, pero nahuli na eh, no? Pero kung talagang wala kang kasalanan, sa akin personally, if you're really not guilty, you should be the one arranging the process na para mapabilis yung proseso. Para mapatunayan wala kang kasalanan. Hindi eh. He is delaying it, no? Nahuli na siya, pinababalik na siya dito ng presidente ng Timor Leste. Tapos they had a motion and it was granted. 15 days pa ulit itatry. I mean, unang-una nagtago ka na eh. Tapos nahuli ka na doon eh.
Oo.
Tapos ngayon dinidelay mo pa. And then humingi ka ng guarantee na safe ka pagdating dito. Na I find it really quite ironic kasi in the first place ikaw yung accused ng nagpapatay, 'di ba? Mastermind. And then a lot of yung nagtestify na yung mga nahuli, no? Na inutusan mo. Tapos ngayon you're moving heaven and earth, 'di ba? Para lang ma-delay at wag kang mapunta dito and face whatever charges you have before you. You even abandon your elected position na representative, 'di ba? So, well, anyway, psychologically, no, totoo nga talaga, flight is
It
an
gives more
indication.
understanding.
Flight is an indication of guilt, di ba? O ang pinaka-paborito ni Sir Eman, yung letter M,
Favorite ng
manipulation
lahat yan.
and control of human
Manipulation.
behavior. Sige, Sir Eman.
Kaya nag-psychology yung iba, no, para makapang-manipulate. No? But in reality, no, when we understand the behavior and you know how to deal, that's technically, no, you controlling and manipulating the behavior is based on how you interpret, how you predict, and how you understand a certain behavior. Alam mo na ang gagawin mo. Alam mo na ang gagawin mo when it comes to anong i-deal sa kanya kapag nagtatantrum siya, kapag halimbawa, hindi mo na pagbigyan sa isang certain grade. Alam mo na kagad ang gagawin and you know what to expect and what to, parang technically parang kang one step ahead na kagad. Kasi mape-predict mo na kagad kung ano yung kapag sinabi mo ganito. At ganito yung naging action mo, anong na kagad ang mangyayari. So ano nangyayari? Namamanipulate mo na kagad yung behavior. Nagmumukha ka ng one step ahead sa maaaring sabihin nila. But in reality, you just know how to control and how you're going to react on his behavior. Ang pinaka nakakatakot siguro sa lahat, no? Yung mga nandyan lang, tas naka-poker face lang kapag may kausap ka. Tas they're just grinning and smiling lang as if they know something. So therefore, kahit wala kang alam, pero you're just grinning, you're just smiling, and you're not saying anything at all, ano mangyayari? Mangyayari doon is that they themselves will self-destruct. Ang dami ko nababasa ang mga ganyang kwento recently no, sa Reddit with the current academic break no, ang dami kong time para magbasa ng mga kwento sa Reddit. It's very interesting no na ngumiti ka lang, nakasmile ka lang during the meeting, and you're just going to see no they themselves no exposing. Ina-expose na kagad nila yung sarili nila kahit wala ka talagang alam, 'di ba? You will be able to manipulate the behavior itself. Doc?
There's nothing wrong with manipulating human behavior. Truth be told, if you're put in a position of authority, you need to control human behavior, no? Compliance of certain rules and regulations. You know, ang typical sa school setup, the wearing of the uniform, the pinning of IDs, di ba? These are all manipulation of human behavior, di ba? And then you keep them from removing their IDs o control na yan eh. At when you become a parent, naku po, alam nga namang yung anak mo ang masunod, di ba? And they don't know better, di ba? They don't know better.
Totoo.
So, ang masusunod, syempre, ikaw. Dahil you're the parent eh. In a school setup, in loco parentis. Alam nga naman yung estudyante ang masunod. Tapos, pagbobotohan natin yung grade nyo. Majority rules, di ba? Hindi na ako magtuturo, pagbobotohan na lang natin yung grade nyo. Eh, lahat
Parang
yan,
parang
lahat
ang
yan
weird naman pag
scholar.
ganun yung magiging
Lahat yan,
grading system mo, botohan
di
na
ba?
lang.
Really, no? You really have to, manipulate behavior, di ba? Sa pagmamaneho, di ba? nasa mali silang mali yung traffic rules na nila, di syempre, well, bigger drivers would tend to give way, pero yung iba naman to teach them a lesson, balsa ako, I'm following the traffic rules and regulation. You're the one violating, you have to pay the consequence of that. Yung mga ganun, So, yeah, that's
Yes.
manipulation and also control already of human behavior. So, recap lang natin, ha? Recap lang natin. Napakadali lang naman ng natin ngayon sa episode 2 natin, no? Going to episode 3 na tayo, no?
Psychology.
The goals of psychology, prediction of human behavior, interpretation of human behavior, description of human behavior, understanding of human behavior, and then the M is manipulation and control of human behavior. Di ba? The acronym is PIDUM.
Idum.
Yan. So,
Actually, ma-master mo lang yun, no? Sa mga psychmates natin na makakapanood at makakapakinig nito anytime, no? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, good night, no? If na-master mo tong part na to, no? Technically, mapapagkamala ka talaga nilang manghuhula. They're going to think na binabasa mo yung iniisip nila, but in reality, no? You're just applying the basic goals of psychology. Nakakatawa dito, no? Bigla silang nagto-thought broadcasting. So sobrang galing mong gumamit ng goals of psychology. Iniisip na nung tao, nagto-thought broadcasting siya. Yung naririnig mo yung sinasabi niya. No? But anyways, another topic yan sa abnormal psychology pag nandun na
so
tayo.
available ka pa ba mamaya, mga 11:45 sa Reman? We
Di
go
pa ako
for
sure.
the third episode. Ano na
Di
tayo
pa
sa
ako sure,
Human Dev na?
ako.
Ha? Human
Baka
Dev.
matulog na ako ng 11.
11:45 ng mamayang gabi?
Oh,
Sige. Di kami na lang siguro ni ni, ni Dan. Pero ako, for this day and then in between, no? Kasi 12 midnight. Naka-third episode na kaagad tayo, di ba? So, on the
okay,
way
diba?
towards the 100, self-imposed
Episodes.
video,
May
podcast
goals eh.
episodes. Oo. Ngayon, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Eman, dahil hindi ako ganong techie, itong, kasi stop recording to, no? Saan ko hahanapin yung recording na yon?
Sa
Nasa,
may record. Doon sa record lang ulit na ano.
saan? Sa download? Sa, saan ko hanapin?
Mag-ano siya, maglalabas na folder.
So, si-search ko lang sa my computer.
Ah, ah,
Recorded. Recorded.
sa Zoom. Zoom
Okay.
records.
Okay. So,
And thank you for listening na ba or ano?
yan, So, maraming salamat. Well, yeah. You would notice there would be some ups and downs, no? Pero we will deliver, no? The topic. And besides, we will never run out of topics, no?
Napakadaming topic sa psychology.
Maraming topic. And
So,
then
pag-usapan natin
nasa
yung
ano
mga
pa lang tayo, nasa Gen Ed pa lang. I mean, general psych pala,
the
general
basics.
psychology, no? Human development na tayo, yung stages mamaya. And then, siguro nga dapat, well, sige, tingnan natin. We'll see. Kasi
Masaya dyan pag pinag-uusapan na yung mga findings, no? Yung mga researches na mga na-interesting. Like for example, yung hate culture sa Philippines, no? Yung nabasa ko sa UP. Ganda ng topic na yun about Lebron. Bakit nga ba talamak ang hate culture? Yung mga ganun, no? Something to look forward
you
to.
will always have haters. hindi mo na talaga you cannot please everyone eh. So yung iba nga,
Sabi
itsura
nga
mo
nila,
pa lang,
no?
hate ka na nila, di ba? It reminds
Sabi nga nila, no? It's damn hard to please everyone, but it's very easy to please everyone.
pero at what cost? Nawala
Di ba? Yun nga.
nawala naman yung sarili mo, di ba?
Totoo.
Oo. So i-stop ko na to, Eman.
Yes.
Pag
Thank you
tinake ko ba to,
everyone for
sigurado kang
listening, no?
lalabas yung Sige, hanapin ko. Anyway,
Yes.
lumabas yung recording. Anyway,
Merong folder na lalabas
30
dyan.
minutes. Okay lang, no? Sa 25 minutes
Yeah.
tayo. So,
Sakto
55.
lang habang nagtatry.
Tama, ito lang, no?
Habang,
Sandali lang. Sige, maraming
habang
salamat
nagko-commute
po.
ako sa
Sige,
Thank you
mamaalam ka na,
everyone.
Sir Eman.
So
Mamaalam.
we'll be seeing you again, everyone, on the future episodes of the Psych Podcast. Ano ba tayo ng podcast natin? No? Psych Podcast?
Psychology Channel.
Psychology Channel. No?
Oh.
So tune in, guys, no? Kasi nga, more episodes to come.
Yeah, and hopefully more,
madalas na makita pag mumukha ko.
more panelists. I think it's
Ayan,
like
more
when
panelists.
you have more
Susunod, no?
panelists. Na-tsempo lang na Holy Week ngayon eh. Puro nakabooking yung mga resource speaker natin.
Yeah, busy lahat, no? Kami lang yung may
Busy sila.
time.
Pero we'll
Ako,
see, we'll
sila,
see. We'll
pero yeah, we'll see,
endeavor
no?
to bring you and also to immortalize our thoughts, di ba? Kasi ito yung
Yes.
mga tumatakbong kaisipan sa aming utak, no?
Ngayon,
Na
lalo
we
na
would like
ngayong
to
Holy
share.
Week, no?
Holy Week kasi
Ang
ngayon.
dami pwedeng gawin.
Sige. So maraming
Sige,
salamat
everyone.
po.
Thank
Ingat
you.
po tayong lahat. I-end ko na to, Sir Eman, ha. Salamat po.
Thank you, Doc.
Yes.
Just remember, be safe out there, everyone. Thank
Be
you.
safe, everyone. Ingat po lahat.